like a Hellcat.
Save it to remove disk. Boy. Look at that. Look at that, how slowly he is. Inject? No. Where is it? Right there, right there. Oh, my other hand. My finger to me. Let's name it something. Like 8, 6, 5. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Well, then we are cleaning the middle plate, and then we take any fourth one, and then we take and slice it. Slice Rooney, and then we save it to remote disk. We don't want to eject it. Nope. Then we are naming after the number in the ladder. Give it a new name. Move it over here. Let's type in 6550. There we go. That's done. And then we take the last one. Let's clean it up. Clean up. Everyone, clean up. Everyone, clean up. I'm importing this one. Yeah, it's kind of small. How big is this gonna take? So 15 gram of plastic for 4 minutes. Move the camera where you can see it. Eject. Nope. You don't inject anything in my life. You make it pure lock. And then we give it a new name. Totally my piece is Norwegian, so no one actually said in my comments. I am asking you to do that. We give it a name like 45. There you go. Yoink. Ba 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 ba. Do do do. Let's see. Plug it right way. Yeah, right way. Yoink. Carefully touch it, and then you select the big one, the big boy. Yeah, the big boy. And we just look at that. It's gorgeous. It's just I reach. Yeah, it's gorgeous, right there. Oh, look at that. Shpunk. Oh, look at this rhythm. It's not mine. It's just cool. You're probably saying, "What is Minecraft Minecraft playing Finn episodes are?" I'm not planning to make them in quite a while, or something like that. Plus, all my live stream is going to be delayed like a lot. So stay tuned for anything of that. Smash that like button, or you can just see the printer working. Slow boy. It's a slow boy. It's a slow boy. It's a slow boy.